everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day of the Useful DIY Challenge. This is a monthly challenge that is hosted by Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, and her co-host this month is Sonja from Domestic Diva 76. I will leave the link to both channels and to the playlist in the description box below. Please visit the channels because both of them are amazing. I'm not going to say anything else. I say the same every month about MomDas, and the co-hosts she chooses are as amazing as she is. So I prefer you to go and see it by yourself. In the playlist also you will see all the videos sorry, of the people who are participating in this challenge. So please play a visit and get inspired. The theme of the challenge this month is upcycle glass. So we are supposed to have something that is made of glass and use it to create something different, beautiful and useful. What I'm going to use is one of these cups. Well, they are not cups, they are candle holders. I always look at them and see them as cups, but they are candle holders from Dollar Tree. They come in 3 sizes. I love them, but I'm going to use just the tallest one, which is this one, which of course was clear like that, like those ones, but I painted them in silver. I used acrylic paint, this one. We found this, not the bottle, the content and the label, at a dumpster. You know, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks, and the link is going to be in the description box and maybe somewhere here. And so the cup was broken and part of the bottle was broken, so I bought another, I think it's a soda bottle, and I place all the content here, and I save the label to know what is inside. And now it's full like till here. It's a lot of acrylic paint, and it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So what I did was I placed some amount of the acrylic paint in a container, and I dipped first this side of the candle holder and then the base. There were some problems because I had to place some paper tape, painter's tape all around the foot, the handle of the candle holder, because I didn't want all this to be painted. And when I removed it, some accidents happened. But I have a marker that is almost the same color, so I painted this part. I have to paint it a little bit more, but anyways, it's going to be placed in a shelf and it's not going to be seen. And but the main thing I'm going to use, I bought this just to use another thing. I have this lid that is from one of those apothecary jars, and the jar broke and I saved the lid, not knowing why, and now I have a way to reuse it. So that's why I needed this piece. This is glass also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this on top of this, and I'm going to create this piece that I'm going to decorate with some of these pearls and rhinestones. I'm thinking of this more for some decor for Christmas. I have something in my mind. I would like to use water and place some floating candles. That's my idea. But for now, I'm going to show you another way to decorate it. But first of all, let me adhere this to the candle holder. I'm going to use E6000. Oh. Okay, so So I'm going to add some good amount of 6,000 here, and I don't know, I'm not going to add anything in the border. I don't want the glue to be seen, and I'm not going to move this often, so it's going to stay in place. I think I will be very careful, so this will stay in place. And now I'm going to decorate the candle holder and the border of this lid. I'm going to do this out of camera because, well, it's just, this is from Dollar Tree also. It's just a matter of adhering this all around the border. So, well, let me see. I don't want to make you lose your time watching something that you know how to do, but okay. Let's do this here. I need more of these pearls. Like here, I think that this is going to be enough. So let's hope that I did it right. Yeah, it overlaps a little bit, but I will cut this later. So here is a border, and I'm going to decorate the base, and I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to use, I already separated some of those kind of flowers, and I'm going to add them there. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I decided to remove this from this candle holder to be able to show you how everything looks now that it's fully decorated before the glue dries. And you can see now the candle holder. I added these pearls and rhinestones all around the border here and in the base. Okay, so now I can add this here again. I added more glue, so it will stay really stay in place. And as I said, I plan on using this for Christmas holiday season, sorry, but for now I wanted to decorate it for you to have an idea. And I'm going to use these lamb ears and cotton balls. I'm going to add one here and one here. I'm going to add these stones from Dollar Tree to keep the lamb ears in place. And you know, for me, cotton balls scream winter. I use them mainly for winter, but I really wanted to add some decor now, and I wanted to add some kind of springy, summery thing, and I love hydrangeas, so I decided to mix winter with spring and summer and add some hydrangeas here and here. Let me see. Wow. It's just for you to have an idea and to see it decorated in some way. which is not the way it's going to be in a few months when holidays are back, but just not to leave it empty. So I hope you I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Please, please, please visit the hostesses' channels and the playlist. Thank you to both of them for hosting this challenge. And thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.